What's up guys, Big D Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. This is the Soundstream MC500. And it's really hard to get a grasp of how big this joker is and how big these fins are, unless you see me sitting here holding it beside my big old fat head. Monster amp here, 4-channel, 125 by 4. We're gonna run the test today bridged, so we're looking at 250 by 2. And we're gonna try it on the dyno and see how it does. I know a lot of you guys are probably here to see if your guess was correct and see if you win the JBL amp, so stay tuned to the end. We'll find out who the winner is. Big D Wiz amp test coming at you. Coming at you. But you can't have it, sorry. All right guys, let's journey into the OSS storage, find out what we're going to test today. What you say we test a little Soundstream MC500? Yeah, let's try that joker out. All right, so here's the exterior of the Soundstream MC500. It's a 4-channel amplifier and it has 8-gauge speaker and power terminal inputs. Again, we have the amp set up at the 2-channel mode for this test. We used all Stinger accessories, the Pro Series RCAs, and the Pro Series 12-gauge OFC wire. Let's wire this bad boy up, and let's fire up the dyno. Here for the power and ground, we use the Pro Series 8-gauge, very short lead going into distro block, going into 4-gauge. All right, here we have the Soundstream MC500 all connected up, OSS test bench. Let's try a certified run at 8 ohms. Got the amp bridged, so it's rated to 250 by 2 at 8 ohms. Very close, 255, 245, right at 14 volts. And we pulled 73.8 amps. All right, now let's try the dynamic run at 8 ohms. There we go. That's what we like to see. .362, 349, right at 14.5 volts. All right, now we're going to try a certified run at 4 ohms. We still have the amp in the 8 ohm mode. .298, 290, 13.8 volts. And we pulled 106.2 amps. All right, now we're going to do a dynamic run at 4 ohms, again with the amp set in the 8 ohm mode. Wow. That's why people like to use this one with subs back in the day. Look at that, over 500 watts. From a 500 watt amplifier, that's over 1,000 watts dynamically at 4 ohms. Very nice, Soundstream. All right, so here you see the results at 4 ohm certified. We got 298 plus 290, and at the dynamic run we got 500 plus 510. That brings us a total to 1,598 watts. I'll be honest, I was shocked too. All right, so here's the winner, ZPW Slayer, guessed 1,645 watts, and the answer was 1,598. Now, interesting enough, we had Doug Dale guess 1,580, but the problem is he changed his response to 1,490. That's the one that's actually on the site. There you can see the comment by Doug Dale was actually edited to 1,490. He was the closest until he edited his comment. So since he edited his comment and changed it, then sorry, you don't win. So the lesson learned here is go with your first choice. Congratulations to the winner. Get the JBL GTS 150, old school stereo 2016 calendar, and an old school stereo mouse pad. Thanks again everybody who watched and commented on this video. If you like these type videos, please subscribe to my channel. I will have more giveaways in the future, and if you're subscribed, you'll hear about it first. Note I will only probably do one day on the comments in the future, so make sure you're subscribed. Thanks to Stinger Electronics for providing the accessories that power the OSS Labs. See their social media links in the video description below. We also have a recent supporter here on Patreon, Dennis Busby. Sorry I didn't get you in the scrolling comments, but you get your own here. Thanks to all the Patreon supporters. Also, thanks to Eddie for donating the JBL GTS 150 amp. Appreciate that, so we could give it away. So you guys have a great one. Until next time, I'm out of here.